Hey guys, I'm Aisha and welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we have seen impact of coronavirus on travel, tourism and hospitality industry. What will be the future of travel industry post-COVID world? I have given solution to save this business in the previous video. This video shows you how to rank your travel website on Google's first page. Without any technical complications or without much technical knowledge, you can do it on your own. Before that, let us see the impact of coronavirus on travel business in brief. Most of the world as countries have closed their borders to visitors and sometimes their own citizens. Countries like Italy, Spain, USA, Germany, UK, Russia, Brazil and India may not have too many takers for tourism in near future. Business travel will decrease significantly by 66%. MICE market will go into coma for a while. Most big global events, conferences, launches, festivals, seminars, conventions and the spectacular sport started to get either cancelled or postponed. Group travel will shrink. Education travel will be withheld for a long time. All older folks, senior citizens or retired people, those who are serious travelers, will cancel their vacations. Leisure travel too will dwindle for some time. Religious tourism will drop. Destination weddings may suffer a serious setback. An emerging market of school trips for some years now will dry up. Air travel will become more expensive. Cruises may be shunned for a while. Hospitality industry, especially hotels, will be impacted severely due to low occupancies, so that food and beverages consumption will be impacted. Restaurant business will heavily impact due to fear in mind of people. With so much of uncertainty, shut borders, grounded flights, shuttered establishments, job losses, recessionary economy, holiday seems a distant frontliner for now. Global travel seems bleak. There are possibilities of worst global recession in travel industry. Our team has done research on how to save the travel industry. In post-COVID world, there is limited market and a small number of customers in travel business, and this situation will go on for very long time. Most enquiries will be converted through internet only. All top-ranked websites will grab maximum of them. What will remain for you? How can you increase bookings and make more sale out of your travel website? How can you guarantee steady growth to your travel business post-COVID world? Okay, let me ask you two questions. Do you have your own website? Does it rank on first page of Google search engine? Most of you will say no. Now you will think why it is important to rank on first page of Google search engine. I will show you some analytics. Remember that Google has 85% of internet traffic. Google now processes over 40,000 search queries every second on average, which translates to over 3.5 billion searches per day. Among entire traffic of Google search engine, about 91.5% of total traffic stays only on first page. Only 4.8% of total traffic goes on page 2 and 1.1% of traffic goes on page 3. From page 4 and onwards, traffic is less than 1%. First page of Google generally has 10 results. 32.5% of total traffic on first page clicks first link. 17.6% traffic clicks second link. 11.4% traffic clicks on third link, and so on. Graph on screen shows analytics of traffic of first page.
So guys, you have seen that if your website is not on top rank position or it is on second, third or other pages, then you will get very low organic traffic. I hope you understand the importance of ranking on first page of Google. Now guys, how to rank your travel website on Google first page? There is tremendous competition in travel and tourism business, though it is online or actual. In this competition, ranking a travel website or travel blog on first page of Google is very difficult. You can simply say it is impossible. Now, how to get ranked for your travel website? What to do? I have very innovative solution for your website to rank on Google first page. What is that? And that innovative solution is nothing but web stories format of Google. My colleague Aisha will explain that solution in detail.
In the recent years, users have migrated from desktop to mobile. Google launched Web Stories, which were previously known as AMP Stories. with the goal of putting mobile performances above everything else on the web. Unlike Snapchat and Instagram stories, web stories are not confined to one ecosystem. They are indexed by search engine and can rank in search results. They are fast loading, visually engaging, mobile focused, tap through and user first. Web stories are futuristic content format of websites that will be soon ruling the internet. They are visually appealing just like the Instagram stories, which is the best part of it. Images, videos, and infographics are taking over the web. The visual content trend is only going to accelerate as mobile phones continue to fuel an upsurge of video content. Think about which type of stories that appear on your social media feeds every day, or which stories are viral. Only image-based stories are popular. Researchers have found that people process visual content much more efficiently than they process boring text links. The human brain is hardwired to process information in the form of stories. The digital era has accelerated the trend to images and videos as the new storytelling medium. Readers spend more time looking at the images than they do reading text on the page. Infographics are liked and shared on social media 3 times more than any other type of content. According to the Social Science Research Network, most people are visual learners. Human tendency is more towards visual learning. What does that mean? I'll give you an example. You are selling a package of Switzerland to your customer and explain theoretically that it is beautiful, it is heaven on earth, it has beautiful location, and some other company explains it with beautiful pictures of Switzerland. So what will be impressive? Where will the client go? Many are not interested in reading long articles. Article era is getting less traffic. People want more visuals of any location or product. Web stories are nothing but visual format of articles. Most importantly, web stories have started appearing on Visual Stories section of Google search engine. Thus, content created in web stories format has big opportunity of ranking on the first page of Google. Our website vacationjoys.app is in web story format and it is already ranked on various keywords on first page of Google search engine.
Web stories, especially those in travel niche, have started ranking on Google's first page. You can see that on screen. Create your marketing content in web stories format, as there is high possibility that you will see it rank in Google. So due to high chances of ranking, there are maximum possibilities of getting online users. Your web stories will help more users to know about your brand. This is the new way to promote your business and build a stronger brand presence till the things are better and travel starts again.
Who can adopt web stories? Is it technical or difficult? Do you need to scrap your old website and start new website for web story format? Who will do this? I will answer all your questions. First of all, creating web stories are very simple, just like Instagram stories. You just need to sign up any story builder like Visual Stories. After signing, click Create Story. Write story title and then description of the story. Upload appropriate image from your image gallery. Your cover page is ready. Click Add Slide button, add new slide. Add image, write appropriate text. You can edit position, size and background of text. In this way, you can upload all information about that destination. Even you can upload video from your gallery with text. You can also add external link to your web stories. After uploading all information, you can add background music for entire story. Your story is ready to publish. Even you will get progressive web app for your website. Icon of this app will be visible on your mobile. Anyone can write about their travel experiences, and any travel business firm can write about their packages in story format. If you have your own website, you do not have to scrap it. You do not even need to touch its existing structure. We will just implement a subdomain on your website and we will give you a solution to get web stories feature on subdomain of your own website. Once this is set, you can write your own stories of destination that you sell. If you do not have a website yet, then book a website at the earliest. Come to us and we will help you to launch your website in story format.
Now I will explain what are the advantages of website in web stories format. See, web stories have higher loading speed, greatest visual element, mobile compatibility, and most importantly, higher possibilities of getting rank and better ad support. Google has already introduced Visual Stories Carousel on the first page of its search result. The pages in Carousel are web stories. So, content written in web stories have great potential to rank on first page of Google. The biggest advantage of web stories is higher engagement rate of user. See, web stories are immersive and they load at blinding speed. Again, they are visually rich, means maximum photos and light on text, thus providing greatest user experience. Users spend more time in watching beautiful photos, which leads to increase in dwell time and decrease in bounce rate. Due to these factors, web stories score high on search engine metrics. Web stories are poised to be the future of entire web world and are here to stay. So, it's only right time that every online entity, every individual and every business adopts this web stories format at the earliest. So guys, we are here to provide you total solution of web stories. Our website vacationjoys.app is already in web stories format. You can see that. The link is given in the description below. For any guidance or for any help, you can contact us through our mail or through our website. Details are given in description below.
We will provide you with total solution of web stories to your existing website or a new website. You can contact us on our email ID or our website. Everything is given in the description below. Please share it with those people who own a website and are struggling for ranking. Also share it with bloggers. Web stories will be surely helpful. If you guys liked my video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. Till then, bye-bye.